so from beginning to end of contacting Mike regarding having the solar. It was about 2 weeks to instalment. We asked him lots of questions, asked him what the benefits were, how long it would take to be fitted. We had to kind of think of whether it was going to benefit us as a family, and decided it would do. So went ahead, told Mike we wanted it doing, and he booked us in really quickly. Scaffolders come in within a few days to prepare for the team to come in and fit it, so it wasn't very long at all. Really smooth, quick, stress-free. So they come in, told us what they'd be doing. It was no mess. They actually come across a problem with our board, electricity board. There was actually some wires melted. So the electrician obviously told me at the time, told me he was going to install a new board for us, obviously while I was here, because it was dangerous. So that was really good of him to let us know that that was an issue. And was quite happy to fit a new one that took him a couple of hours to fit, so it was really good for him to do it there and then. Yeah, a minimal mess. There was 2 of them, one of them in the house, one of them installing the battery packs, and one of them doing the wiring outside. And yeah, it was stress-free, quite easy. Yeah, good experience. Yeah, the electrician Ray actually sat down with us and told us which app to download, sorted all the login and everything for us, showed us how to use it, showed us what meant what on the app, so that was really easy, set us up on both phones, told us how it would be most beneficial to use, i.e. probably using, you know, one big electrical piece of equipment at a time, like your kettle and your washer and stuff like that. So we really wanted to tell us how it would be the best for us and how it would be the best benefit for us. Yeah, so they were really helpful. I know Ray has contacted my husband since to see how it's going and whether we've seen any benefits, and we've seen the benefits near enough straight away. Watching the app, watching the batteries, you know, get to 100% was really satisfying. So yeah, within the first week or so, it was actually really sunny. So we could see on the app that our batteries were being charged. And then actually, one of the days it was really hot, we were generating too much. It was kind of sending it back to the grid, which was really good to see. And then within a couple of weeks, I was given my bill, and it was going to be going up, my electricity, because we'd been using obviously more than what we've been paying for. So we were kind of owing money, so they were going to increase our bill. But since they've done a reading, it's reduced massively already, and it's only been a couple of months, so we've already seen the benefits. So without a shadow of a doubt, with it being obviously sunnier now, it's only going to get better. So yeah, definitely seeing the benefit. So I'd highly recommend M+S. Like I said, really good process from beginning to end. They were full of information that we needed, quite happy to answer any questions. Installation was very stress-free. And yeah, it's very beneficial. So if you were thinking about it and you want help, you know, with your bills and you want to save as much money as possible, I'd definitely recommend M+S to be doing your installation.